Good morning, I'm John Mendez. I'm the Executive Director of Bethesda Cares, and this morning we have street outreach teams going out in the southern half of Montgomery County checking on people who are experiencing homelessness. If folks are out there on the street and they don't have a home to go to, they don't have a safe place to be in, a stay-at-home concept doesn't exist for these individuals, we strongly encourage people to work with us. We're working right now and partnering with Montgomery County Department of Health and Human Services to get people off the streets, to make our community safer, especially for people who are homeless. A lot of times those folks are vulnerable in many ways. Our street outreach workers are going and visiting those people on a constant basis, asking those folks if maybe they have a fever or if they have any kinds of symptoms or if there's anything visually that we can see. It's important that we check on these people because they don't have a place to live, they don't have a place to go to stay safe. To practice proper social distancing, you need your own home and a place to stay home. And these individuals who are homeless don't really have that. It's especially challenging when they're in public. A lot of times people just don't want to go to an overflow shelter or a congregate living space where there are more than 10 people sometimes staying in a facility. Okay, so we're with Lydia this morning and Gabe and on street outreach here in Montgomery County, Maryland. So Lydia, tell us a little bit about what you're doing.
Hey guys, so we're out this morning. We're checking on a few unsheltered clients that we have out here. We're checking on them, seeing if they have any symptoms, seeing if they're struggling with getting any supplies they need out here, seeing if they're updated on the situation, what's going on with the state right now because of COVID. We're handing out supplies like face masks, hand sanitizers, socks, clothing, anything that they need really.
Hey, Gabe's stripping off some PPE. You may have to take the mask off so we can hear you.
Yes, we are using the mask, all the PPE to be protected, and then going to the street to talk to the clients and try to keep them safe and give them some snacks, some gloves, mask for them to be safe on the street.
Thanks guys for all your work this morning. So another key factor that we're concerned about this morning is that 24 hours from now the temperature is going to drop down, the wind chill is going to drop down to about 32 degrees. And so we're warning people, our outreach workers, Gabe and Lydia, are warning people to try and let them know that the temperatures are going to drop drastically. We do get a lot of information from our county about best practices and all the updates that's happening here in Montgomery County and statewide across the state of Maryland. So we're fortunate to have a county government helping support us in that way as well. But we have to be in the community right now, and it's a challenging time for everybody, especially those individuals who are experiencing homelessness, and we want to make sure we're there for them. So we're very thankful for our partners across the county, the businesses that support Bethesda Cares, the individuals that support Bethesda Cares, the foundations, and our county government officials that are supporting our work here in Montgomery County. Without all of that support, we could not do this, and it's important that we work and look out for the least of these, especially in times like this.